Let's learn alphabet A to Z. A for airplane. B for bee. C for cow. D for drum. E for eye. F for flower. G for giraffe. H for heart. I for igloo. J for jaguar. K for kiwi. L for leaf. M for mouse. N for nose. O for oven. P for pencil. Q for quartz. R for rainbow. S for shoes. T for taxi. U for umpire. V for vulture. W for whale. X for Xerox. Y for yoga. Z for zoo. A for airplane. B for bee. C for cow. D for drum. E for eye. F for flower. G for giraffe. H for heart. I for igloo. J for jaguar. K for kiwi. L for leaf. M for mouse. N for nose. O for oven. P for pencil. Q for quartz. R for rainbow. S for shoes. T for taxi. U for umpire. V for vulture. W for whale. X for Xerox. Y for yoga. Z for zoo.